Hello, it's morning and I wanted to show you another way that I style my hair. Now right now it looks like it's all up, right? Because it is. Actually, I went to bed with my hair like this. I use bobby pins to curl my hair, and now I'm going to take out the bobby pins so that you can see the curl that I got from sleeping overnight. You notice that I put the pins inside the spiral, one going one way and one going another way to help hold the curl. So I'm going to take out the rest of these and then show you my hair. Gives me a lot of curl. Okay, I've taken out all of the pins. Now on top I just have these clips because I don't sleep on the top of my head. So I just remove these clips. And this is what it looks like freshly out of the curls. Now I can decide how I want to wear my hair. Do I want to wear it full like this? Now it's always going to be tighter when I first take out the curls, and as the day goes on it just relaxes into a gentle curl. But this way I can have the fullness and I can have the curls without harming my hair. No breakage from getting tangled in curlers, no heat from using the curling iron, and I can enjoy the curls that I've always loved, and it's very natural. I love it. Now, I don't like it when hair falls in my face, so many times what I do is I will use my little clips to take like a portion of my hair and I will bring it up. And sometimes I will twist it and put a clip in it. And because I don't like, when I'm working on things, I don't like to have the hair hanging down in my face, because I'm often leaning over to do, oops, I gotta get my jar, because I'm often leaning over working on something and I just can't stand having hair hanging in my face. I love it hanging here in the back so that it looks nice. And if it looks a little flat on the top, hold on, let me grab my, if it looks just a little bit flat on top, I may give it just a little bit of back combing just to give it the fullness that I like. And to help hold that in place, I may put a clip or two just to hold that fullness. I try to avoid using hairsprays because hairsprays have alcohol in them and the alcohol dries the hair. Need a couple more clips. And this is the usual standard way that I wear my hair, my everyday look. When I want my hair down and I want the curls. Now if I want to preserve my curls and I actually want to put it up, I can put it up in a nice curly bun, or I can just kind of wrap it on top and give me a curly bun with just a couple of clips. Let me just do that real quick just to show you how quick I can have another easy, quick, messy bun sort of updo. And that also will preserve my curls. Now, tonight when I go to bed, I will probably do it up like this and just put a few clips in it to help hold it in place so that I don't lose my curls. I can kind of preserve them and keep them to last for a little longer by not letting them hang down and just sort of keeping it up. And that's a bun with my own hair. Everything on the shelf is what I use for my makeup. And here is my hair bar and a few extra things on the top shelf. This is my built-in shelf that I put there to keep all of my personal products in one place. For my hair, I have bobby pins, sometimes when I curl my hair, and I have this little shot glass that just has hair clips when I feel like decorating my hair. So hair clips and pins. And sometimes when I've used curlers, but I don't use curlers so much anymore, these are a different kind of a hairpin that goes into the curlers, but I don't use those very much anymore. These are my main hair clips. The ones I like best are this size right here. I mostly keep the clear ones. Usually when the package comes in brown, clear, and black. Well, I throw all the colored ones in here because I don't really use them except for when I use my Sharpies. I like this size when I use my Sharpies. So I keep them for that purpose. But really, I wish they would just sell the clear by themselves. And this little glass keeps 2 hair clips, white hair bands, and I need to restock these little tiny clear, they look like bubbles in the jar. If I ever need to use a hairband, I use the clear ones, and typically I cut them when I take them out because they get tangled in the hair and I don't like that. So I keep those things in there. So this is my hair bar, and I have a few extra things here that I use sometimes, like my fancy hair clips. There's a comb that I like to use. I will use this in my hair sometimes, that, and a clip, and I like this one. This one's really pretty, and this one is just a silk. So I'd like to have a few more because I sometimes like to decorate my hairstyle when I put my hair up, and then I just have, you know, clips. This is only when I put my hair in a bun, and I will hide it with my scrunchie. And this, and my donut. So those are the extra things. I don't use them every day, but if I need to, it's right there. So everything I need is right here. So I've shown you 3 ways that I do my hair. Every once in a while I experiment and try other things, but these are my favorite ways, my standard ways. You have to have a couple of, at least 2 good ways to style your hair and, you know, get into a routine so that it's very easy to do, so you don't have to spend a lot of time. I don't like to spend a lot of time in getting ready and preparation because I have so much to do and I want to get to it. So I hope this was helpful.